What's up? Yep. Letter. Uh-huh. Yep. No.
Guys think they're ready for war out here on the public sidewalks. Huh. What they tell you to screw? Remember the oath you took, all right? Remember the oath you took to the Constitution, sir. I hope so.
Have a good day.
You too. Guys are dismissed. Make sure you put your seatbelt on. Massachusetts state law. Put your seatbelt on, sir. No seatbelt, huh? There you go, guys, off into the sunset. Alright guys, it looks like we're on the other side off of a trail that's over here. I'll put the location on a map and I'll show you where this is located. It is a little windier over here than it was on the other side. Now it looked like that guy didn't have a seatbelt on, so this is per order of the installation commander. Seatbelts are mandatory for use by all occupants of the motor vehicle while on the installation. Chapter 90, Section 13. United States Air Force, Hanscom Air Force Base, Air Force Material Command. Yeah, okay.